for you. Student number 4, can we say that the world is just a click away? So, student number 4 is asking for that, as you stated that the world is like a global village. So, can we say that the world is in our hand and we can see, we can reach, we can communicate to the people in just one click? So, the teacher is now replying, maybe, well, would any other student like to say something on it? So now she is asking about the perception about something from other student, that any student in this class wants to add something into it, so that a kind of brainstorming, because she is collecting the information, all those things that are present in students' mind. So she is just collecting all those things and she will just then throw a light over all those things that is supposed to be necessary regarding this topic. Madam, so student number 5 is stating that, in my opinion, media plays a very constructive role for the society. It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. So now, as we say that it is not only related to providing you entertainment and information, but it also play a very vital role in connecting people socially, and also to stamp out the evil from the society. Like you can say that if you are not aware that what is smuggling, what are drugs, what are the side effects of drugs, so you can search everything over internet, and you can download many programs that may lead you towards the concrete information regarding any social evil that is supposed to be a nightmare for the society. So here she is adding that we are not only getting information regarding course related issues, not regarding news or other current affairs, but also in social terms it also provides us a concrete knowledge, a solid knowledge, a very clear picture of all those things which are said to be a nightmare for any society. So teacher, yes, you are right. So the teacher is agree with this statement. Student number 6 is asking, media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Downtrodden means those people who are supposed to be deprived from many rights, from their rights that are legally and socially, morally, their rights. There are many people in our society, like those people who are financially weak and those people whose income is very low. So most of the people they kept them deprived from their basic rights. So you see that there are many now on Facebook that you have seen many people that are financially not sound. They are supposed to be not the bureaucrats. They are supposed to be not the most powerful persona of this country, but literally they raise their voices against any kind of cruelness and unkindness. So it also provides an opportunity for those people who are supposed to be the deprived people of this society, so they can raise their voice for their rights. So teacher says, yes, well said, it would not be wrong to say that media is the most vigilant institution that keeps an eye on every segment of the society through debates, reports, and talk shows. It makes everyone answerable and accountable. That is why media has become an integral part of our lives. Now I would invite one of you to sum up the discussion. Now the teacher throws a light on this topic that we have discussed. She says that any person of our society, because every person has equal rights in the society, so any person that is supposed to be a kind of person that is being deprived from his rights, so he can raise voice, and even he can ask from the bureaucrats, from our ministers, from our government officials, even for their accountability and transparency. So now she is asking the kind of student which will sum up and which will summarize all these things in 1 or 2 lines. So student number 1, I could conclude the discussion by saying that media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. So there are some you can say drawbacks, and there are some demerits of media also, because literally it defames the country when something wrong, when something goes wrong regarding sharing and sending the material that is anti-disciplinary and that is against the country that you are living in. So it is also a positive side as well as also a negative side. Teacher, good conclusion. I am happy that all of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourselves very well. So now the teacher is thanking all the students for their participation and their kind suggestions and their kind collaboration and elaboration with very small things in a very elaborative way. So now you are clear that even in social norms, social life, social activities, media play a very important role in shaping the lives of the people and the inhabitants of the country. Similarly, psychologically, it makes the people very strong and to raise their voice in different terms, you can say, against any violence and against any unfair means. Similarly, it shapes up the people in a very ethical way. It spreads integrity and unity and convey a very good message when something good is shared through social media. Similarly, it awares you of the different inventions in the country, so your country, whenever we heard about that people are going to Mars and they are now making homes and moon and all that. So the people get inspiration and they also try to invent, to discover something that is good for their country. These were the objectives written on the board. Read the passage silently, do the unit exercise, write an email. So inshallah this is supposed to be the first lecture, but inshallah we will cover this unit in 3 lectures almost. So for the first you will have to read silently the whole comprehension that is being added in this unit. Then there are 5 questions additional information you can see here. 5 short questions are given at the end of this unit, so you will have to try to solve those exercises. So these are additional information that you will have to write the answers of 5 short questions that are being given at the end of this comprehension, and then you will have to prepare yourself for essay writing and for essay preparation, because if you see here on page number 25, so here blocks are being given. So you will have to write the role of media and its impact in a very concrete way, in a very short form, but you will have to write these as a block form. So you will have to write only the main points over here, that what do you think regarding this unit, and in your mind, in your opinion, what are the impacts of media on our society, because literally when we talk about generally, so we can't specify those things for our society also, because we are living in a society that everywhere you will find the different think tank and the different mentality of the people. So we are living here in this region, so you will have to write that what are the thinking of people regarding media and what are the impact on our lives in a very broad spectrum. Okay, so here we are just concluding our lecture for this comprehension only, because we have grammar portion also. In grammar portion we will discuss pronouns, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun and indefinite pronoun. So there is a kind of exercise on pronouns, so you will definitely solve those exercises that will be assigned to you in your notebooks. I hope so that you are doing well and all of the units are completed, because in a very short time I am going to check your notebooks over there in school, inshallah. So for today I am leaving you with good health. Stay blessed and protected. Thank you so very much.